Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to book an ANA flight using Virgin Atlantic Miles. First, go to virginatlantic.com, scroll down and turn on the option for rewards flights. Next, enter your departure city and destination. For example, flying from Paris to Tokyo. You can choose round trip, one-way, or even multi-city. Then add your travel dates and the number of passengers. Click search and you'll see results showing both Virgin Atlantic flights and ANA flights available for booking. To redeem your miles, log in to your Virgin Atlantic Flying Club account. Once you're signed in, you can confirm and purchase your ANA flight using your Virgin Atlantic miles. And that's it. That's how you book an ANA flight with Virgin Atlantic. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.